it's not the right time yet, but I will begin to do some of my um, little seeds. I do begin with the, I have some geraniums here. We're good. I need to kind of organize these too. It's a little messy. Oh, it feels good today, but it's still chilly. Let's organize. get my breakdown for today. I was running out of word, and I will put a little slice with. This is the Happy Cow light cream cheese and coffee, and I put because I wanted a little more warm toast, almost burned. So let's do that. When this is cold, I will put it in a bag and goes to the refrigerator. I know. Well, I'm sorry that I didn't talk so much in this video. I was constantly looking videos and listening things, or sometimes reading, or sometimes just knitting or doing other projects. And I don't know, the hours pass. Let me show you. Oh, this is a little long. I know, you almost see me do this, but I swear I take showers and change and everything. But that's one of my projects, is finally make more sweaters that I can wear also at home, because all my sweaters are getting old, and if you see, I have them for years. I always wash and wear. I don't have like a huge quantity of anything, so and slowly everything is getting old, and I will be replacing with hobby. Okay, stop. My sweater, let's see how it's going. I will not put on, but show you how much I have done of this one. I need to go maybe, I don't know if you can see, almost double this size, and then begin to do the end that is like this. Oh, my back is hurting a little, sorry. I think I will need more yarn because I am on yarn number 3, and this is what I have, and I only have one more left. So I will see how much I get from that one going down, and if it's not enough, maybe I will order one more. If I have extra, you know what I will be doing. My book. I'm sorry I haven't do any update about my book. I'm in this far. I'm very close to the next gift, as you can see, but I've been so much into my crafting that I have not done a lot of reading. Today I was reading a little more, and the book is going good. Reading this book opened my desire for watch Expedition Unknown. That is one of the shows that I love to watch. So that's what it's causing, because it's all about archaeological discoveries and everything, of course mixed with a little of romance there. And now, yes, now we got some more steamy parts, but it's going. And all else that I do, today was the day that I finally began to do some of my seedling, and we will see how it goes with these. I want to do more. Oh, and I have my potatoes there, they're getting bigger, but it's still too cold to put them outside, so we will wait a little. The same for these. I cannot make more seedlings because I don't have the space. This part is too dark, they will not get light, and I don't want that, so at least these two get light. And I think I will finish for tonight, and tomorrow will be another day. I hope you are enjoying these daily vlogs. Oops, no, a lot going on, but now I will go to, I think I will play a little computer games to just relax, no meeting, no nothing else, just relax. I will put music, some 50s or 60s or 70s music. You know, I love that kind. And enjoy. Let's see if tomorrow I do something. I can be doing some of these. So I got for Christmas. And I still have the CDs that I can listen. It's a classic radio show. That can be nice. Maybe I can put some of those. So this is all for tonight, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate that. Good night.